A recap about part 1. In part 1, we discussed the 3 power plants in Windows 7. I told you can just click the icon in the taskbar here. Earlier I discussed about these plants are the balance, the high performance, and the power saver. Earlier I also created my own power plant option where I changed some settings, and I went to the advanced power setting where I disabled some and tweaked some components or devices so that it can reduce the power consumption as well. Also, I disabled some services like the wireless or the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, and there's another one that I'm going to teach you. If you're a bit comfortable using the command prompt, there's a little known command for the power. Go to command prompt by typing CMD on the search bar, hit enter, and then type in power CFG space dash energy. The energy command requires administrative privileges. Okay, that's not a big deal. All you have to do is close that. First, you have to tell the command to run the command prompt as an administrator. What you're going to do is hit the accessories folder, right click on the command, and run as administrator. Hit yes, and then type again power CFG dash energy. Okay, the system is going to run for 60 seconds and it's going to observe some behavior with the energy, with the power. So let it run, and then it will give you the result. Let's wait until it finishes. It's just only 1 minute, but I don't have to stop it. I don't want to disrupt the process here, because otherwise I'm gonna redo the video again. So please bear with me. Okay, now these are the details. It found 5 errors and 10 warnings and 21 informational. Along the report, there's a line that says see that Windows System 32 Energy report.html. Okay, we have to go there. Go to my computer, see Windows System 32, and then energy report. Double click that. There you go. Okay guys, this is the diagnostic report I got from that power CFG dash energy. Remember the 5 errors we had earlier? There's 5 errors. There's like a bunch of warnings, and for the 5 errors, let's take for instance this this line number 4 here that says the heading that says USB suspend, USB device not entering suspend. Under it says the USB did not enter the suspend mode or suspend state. Processor power management may be prevented if a USB device not. You can correct this. Remember earlier you went to the services. You may want to tweak that. And there are some other suggestions. The report detailed here, so you might want to go deeper into that if you want to tweak further, and this can still save you some more battery juice. Okay, so that's for the software side, and I'm going to discuss on the hardware as I promised in part 1. One of the components that drain out battery power is the fan. So it's always advisable to clean your fan, I mean your CPU fan, especially the air ducts where the hot air from within your motherboard is blown away by the CPU fan out of the system board. If there are dust blocking the flow of air, the tendency is that your fan will keep on spinning, thus consuming your battery power. So meaning, the more you can hear your fan spins, the more it consumes battery juice, and thus draining your battery power. Another great tip that I can recommend, guys, is put or apply thermal components or thermal materials. If you can, watch my other video on how to apply thermal paste and thermal pads on specific components. Please do so, because I have detailed on how to do it, because it can also prolong your CPU as well as a video chip. Please watch it. I do recommend that you do a system cleanup. You can do that every 6 months, but if you are a heavy user like me, I always clean up my system or my motherboard every 3 months. So I open my computer, dust off some dirt, and put thermal pads and thermal compound. I also recommend that you fully drain your battery, meaning just leave it there, operate your machine on battery until the battery is totally drained, and then by that time you can fully charge the battery up until it reaches the 100%. In this way you can rejuvenate the charging capacity of your battery. It will prolong the life of your battery as well. You can do this every once a month or once every 2 months, but as long as you drain it and then fully charge it. That's a great tip, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope I gave you some good insights, but please don't forget to sign up to my channel. Leave me good feedback if you like this video. Thanks. Bye.